So it's super early here in Australia, and I just wanted to show everyone my 2 or 4 stroke V stack that I custom printed up. I took all the dimensions of my caliper. Turned out super nice. Yeah, couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Actually kind of reminds me of the head of a flashlight, doesn't it? But I'm working on a like a grill that's going to be attached to the front, and you can see I actually made everything with a bit of a recess in it, so I can put some like air filter material. But I have seen people run velocity stacks with no air filter, but then I kind of wondered what happens if dirt gets into the carb. So yeah, if you're one of those guys that are into 3D printing, or 2-stroke, 4-stroke engines, whatever, this is probably for you. So yeah, hope everyone can comment and tell me what they thought of it.